Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to remove any scratches, scrapes, or scuffs on your flat screen TV with toothpaste. They prefer Colgate, but any toothpaste will work. It's very simple to do. The only thing you're going to need, of course, is your toothpaste, a microfiber cloth, cotton balls. Now you can use the cotton balls in place of the microfiber to rub in the Colgate, the toothpaste, into the scratch. But microfiber is preferred. And rubbing alcohol. Now you want to use 50% rubbing alcohol because a higher one like 71 or 91 is too high. But don't worry, if you only have a higher one, what you do is you dilute it in water. So for example, this is 91%. So I got water in here now. So the only thing I want to do is add a little bit of rubbing alcohol to the water. Because if you do 100% or 91% rubbing alcohol, it's too strong on the TV and it'll wear off the coating, the polish protecting coating. Okay, so now we've got our mix. Let's go ahead and make some scratches on this TV. And don't worry, this is a broken TV, so. Okay, so what we're going to do is take our Q-tip. I believe I mentioned a Q-tip. And we're going to go ahead and put toothpaste on it. Okay, once we got the toothpaste onto the Q-tip, we're going to rub it in a circular motion over the scratch. And you don't have to put too much strength into it because we're just basically letting that absorb, the toothpaste absorb into the scratch. Now you might want to let that sit for about 10 minutes. Now next thing I want you to do is get your dry microfiber cloth and go in a circular motion. But again, don't rub too hard because you don't want to take that finished TV polish off. And that's driving the toothpaste further in to the scratch, filling up the hole. Okay, you might want to let that sit for about 5 minutes. And then what we're going to do, is wet our cotton ball with the half rubbing alcohol, half water. And we're going to go over the scratch in a circular motion. And we're going to go ahead and dry it again with another cotton ball. You don't want to let the alcohol sit for too long because again, you don't want to go through that coat, the protecting coat. And of course it depends how deep your scratch is. It's going to be different between how deep the scratch or the scuff is. Now that did a pretty good job. So when you turn on the TV, that's going to let you know if you can see the scratch. If you go up really close to it, most likely you'll definitely want to see the scratch. But as you're watching TV, it should be hidden after we did the treatment here. All right, now if you don't, for whatever reason, if you don't have Colgate toothpaste, you can use Vaseline, petroleum jelly. And this works probably even a little bit better than toothpaste. So if you haven't, if you have some petroleum jelly, go ahead and try it. And I'll put the tutorial for this at the end of this video. And it's pretty much similar to how you would do it with the toothpaste. Alright, I do appreciate you watching, and make sure you subscribe.